Hello everyone and okay, welcome back to my channel. So okay, let's continue again pulling of Pokemon cards here on my channel, and today is gonna be a new Pokemon cards, and I hope this is a legit one, and I hope this is the original one, not a fake. So the price of this one is 100. The price for this one is 145 pesos, and I'm gonna see in the screen of the video the equivalent price of USD, Canadian, and UK pound. Okay, so euro, okay, euro pound, oh UK, okay, UK pound sterling. So okay, let's gonna go and start it up. Okay, here it goes. So okay, I have here only three, so this is just only a short video. It's because there are only three Pokemon cards. So this is the Trick or Treat, the Halloween edition of the Pokemon trading card. So here it goes. So okay, let's continue. Oh, I can't stand anymore this our store having some people wants to buy, and I am not comfortable with the store anymore. Okay, I am not connected, so we're gonna. So okay, I see some 6 plus over here. I don't know what is this one, 6 plus, or and also right here is the what Pokemon surprises hide inside. So let's check this. What year is this one? So 1995 to 2023 Pokemon, right? So internal the Pokemon Pokemon Company International. So this Pokemon TCG pack contains 3 cards. Booster packs vary by product. Each player must have a 60 card deck of Pokemon cards to play. Expand your Pokemon training card game collection with 10 additional game cards. Booster packs. Oh, okay. Okay, 3 additional. Okay, 3 additional. So let's open this again. Okay, because it's so hard to open it. Okay, it's so hard to open. That's why I have to. It's okay. There's only 3. Okay, I think this is one. Okay. Oh, okay. What is this one right here? A Zubat and a Marshadow. Whoa, look at that. A Marshadow. It's a rapid strike Marshadow right here though. Oh, I don't know what this one. I think this is the reverse holo, right? And also a Miss Magius and a Zubat. So compare it to my fake Pokemon cards. So I'm gonna take one of my fake Pokemon cards. So uh okay, I'm gonna take one of my Pokemon cards. So compare it. I'm gonna compare it. So I think this is the original. Okay. Okay. So I need some. Okay, gonna get some. So this one right here is an old Pokemon card that I have. So let's just compare it. Okay. The edges are still the same. When you look at that, so the edges are still the same. Okay, the edges are still the same, and then will you look at that is because okay, original, yes, original, since since this one is the oldest Pokemon cards that I have, is straight from USA. So this is straight from USA. So this one right here. So and also compared to this one that I bought, and also the other Pokemon cards, compared to this one right here. Okay, when you look at that, so not so, this one is so uh, really this one right here, and then when you look at that, so compared to the other one. Okay, let's compare to the other one. Let's compare to the other one. Okay, so when you look at that, so it's just the same, right? It's just the same. like this one, these are two the same. Okay. uh if I get, if I go into the lights, right, so you can see the light. Okay. Okay, there is the, it's because it is an old Pokemon card of mine. I wish I have it, and my older sister gave it to me. So because when she going home in Cebu, Philippines, she always bring Pokemon cards. So this one right here is the oldest one, and also this one right here is the previous, which I bought it from a black market here in our place. So okay, so I think that is the most interesting, that is the most interesting parts, that is the most interesting Pokemon cards that I have. So only three cards in the booster pack. Okay, only three cards in the booster pack. Okay, so let's go and gonna open again another. So this is the legit one. Okay, this is my first legit Pokemon card ever since when I have, okay, when I have my old when I have my old Pokemon card. You can see it, and then to go gonna open this up. Oh, and we got a Chandler. What? Nice one. Drifloon, Chandler, and a Ghastly. So all of these Pokemon are ghost type, right? Drifloon is a ghost type, Chandler is a ghost type and a fire type Pokemon, and also Ghastly is a ghost type and a psychic type Pokemon. So it is really interesting. So pick, so, and let's go on to the last one. Okay, let's go on to the last one. So this is the first legit Pokemon cards that I have. Okay. Okay, what is the last one? Okay, oh, okay. Okay, and ready? Go. And we have something Rapid Strike, Shadow again. We have a Lycan Rock with a fighting type Lycan Rock, and okay, psychic type Shuppet. Right, well, look at that. So two Shadow and one Chandler, right? So it's interesting Pokemon cards that this is the legit one. Okay, this is the legit one. Okay, there you go, there you have it. So this is a short video. Okay, so this that's it for the legit Pokemon cards that I have. So we have some Lycan Rock, we have some Zubat, Miss Magius, Drifloon, Ghastly, and a Shuppet. So our pulls for the trick or trade, our pulls from the trick or trade is this one. So we have some Shadow. Okay, we have some Shadow and a Chandler and another Shadow. So okay, two times the Shadow and a Chandler. So okay, right, okay. So okay, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. Okay, and also see you again on my next video. Okay.